So this is the Corsair H100i RGB CPU cooler. It's going to be two 120mm fans and a radiator to be able to do a nice little closed loop cooler. Let's see what we get inside. So we've got a nice little warranty card and a manual. The two white fans, which are going to look really good in our Snowblind Project Frost Night build. And we have a radiator and CPU cooler and pump. You'll want to be careful when you're unboxing this and just in general that you don't want to bend any of these fans on the radiator. You could cause a rupture or a leak in the radiator coolant, so just be careful that you guys don't actually puncture this or hit this with any kind of boxes or damage it even with its own. You don't let this thing flip around and hit. You don't want to damage any of these fins. If you get this unboxed and you're looking at it on both sides and see that there's any of these fins that are bent, go ahead and just, I would just RMA and send it back. I wouldn't try to install it if one of them are already bent. But you can see a nice little white cables, the white water block, and you also have all of your cables and hardware as necessary for both the AMD and the Intel builds. So there you have it. This is the Corsair H100i series CPU cooler. And we're really excited about putting this one in. We haven't used a white one before, so we'll see how it goes. So these are the Corsair LL120 fans. These are going to be white series. They're going to go real nice with our Project Frost Night Snowblind build. We wanted to get as much white as possible. Even though the case comes with fans, I want to make sure that all of them match with the cooler. So we're going to see what we have here inside. So you get your three little fans that are white and RGB. But the main thing you want to look at is the command control panel itself. This is what's going to actually be controlling all the software. So this one comes with the fan controller. We'll have to be able to do up to 6 fans. So if you want to buy another one of these kits, you can. It's still less expensive to buy a whole 3-fan kit rather than buying 3 individual fans and just have an extra controller. So there you have it. This is the Corsair LL120 series. This is a 3-fan kit. But don't forget, this can do up to 6 fans. If you want to buy more, I would just buy 2 of these kits and just get rid of or hold on the parts for spares, rather than trying to buy each one of these individually, because it's more expensive to buy 3 fans separately than it is to buy the whole kit. But Corsair LL120 RGB Series fan kit.